presenting about my results and about the case for mid exam. So we're gonna start with the problem identification first, in which I'm just gonna tell you about the result of my problem identification. Please wait. I don't think you can see the full one. Okay, I'm just gonna jerk around the webcam so that I think it's better for me to be able to see it. I mean, for you to see it. So here, before we move on, I would like just to say that why is it already done? Why is it not working? Because I do think that problem identification really needs some brainstorming, and whilst doing some brainstorming is that I really do need to take time, about 2 hours, which is about a very long time. So I have concluded this is the main problems. So what we all know from the Makarot case is that it is a restaurant in which has a very big troubles. It has also very stressful for the audience and also for the customer, because one of the key problems is that customer experience long waiting times will be the main priority, because sometimes it is that most of them will have to wait a lot of time, such as 40 or 45 minutes. So therefore, I would like to say that uh, by doing so is that we could see on the problems that is currently occurred on the system of Mac-Error. First of all, there are currently no structured ordering system, in which we could see on how there are no manual ordering. There are only manual ordering minutes for just asking the waiter, which is actually taking a very long time, and also considering the fact that there are actually more and more people coming in. And the other one is that the result of no structured ordering system is that there are currently no queue management, which means there are no currently people that are currently manage the queue system. And the legitimate system is that a customer actually took longer to be able to order. So I think it's pretty clear on what I explained earlier on the first one. Is that the second one you could see on the inefficient service process, in which you could see has a slow menu selection. There are no digital menu available for faster access, so that people could actually just wait longer. Unstructured ordering flow, which is no unstructured ordering flow, which is people would just wait to the waiter, and then sometimes the waiter forgot. We don't know, okay, because it's actually not progressed by a system. It's actually by a manual waiter. And also the last one is by the pure coordination and unpredictable demand, which has led to a no cumulative system, leading to a no estimation of waiting time. People don't know if they are waiting 30 minutes, 20 minutes, or even 40 minutes. No one knows. And also, the key problem that we could see from all of that is that it will have a lack of structured ordering and also a queue management system, and in the future, to also result in an inefficient service, poor coordination, and also long customer waiting times. And how do I skip this? Okay, never. Okay, there we go. So, out of the all development method that I could have is that I could actually choose SDLC waterfall, not agile or SDLC spiral, but I chose SDLC waterfall because for me it's the problem is actually clearly identified and well defined. So I need to choose the appropriate development method. So I chose SDLC method because instead of agile, the system requirements in this case is relatively stable, I think, and also clearly defined from the beginning. And the proposed solution is that to be able to implement a digital ordering and also queue management system to be able to improve service, reduce waiting time, and also enhance coordination between customer and also kitchen. In easy words, is that people order online, people order through a system. I'm sorry, that's my Gojek notification. I think my food is coming. And then the next one is that by doing so, of the advantage of that is that we'll be able to have faster menu access, more organized customer queue, improved coordination with customer and also the kitchen. The most important is the customer in the kitchen because they can actually order it, and also reduce dependency on manual service such as the waiter. And by first of all, we could see the analyze system, which that we could identify the problems in the queue system, gather requirements from the interview manager, that's what you call know from the midterm exam, and also after that we're creating a logical DVD, the FD I mean the data flow diagram, and a physical one, which is going to be discussed later on, and also a data dictionary and process specification in the end. And by implementation is that we'll be able to develop a digital ordering queue system to be able to integrate system with also from the customer and from the and with the kitchen operations. And by after that is that it will have a result in a well structured and also clearly defined and also systematically developed system. And after that is that we have a lot of problems that we have currently have right now, but all of that will be gone from the fact that such as long customer waiting time is gone and efficient no more. Service delays, we don't have that anymore. Overcrowding and unorganized customer flow, it's all being controlled by this single solution, which is SDLC implementing a digital ordering and queue management system. Okay, so I'm gonna move on with the next one.